Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix an app that won't open on iPhone. So I'll be showing you some steps on what to do when an app won't open on your iPhone. Let's say, for example, the app that I'm having trouble with is YouTube, as you can see right here. The first thing that I would recommend you do is close the app and stop it from running in the background. So depending on the model iPhone that you have, you probably have to tap on the home button twice. Or if you have a newer model iPhone, you'll simply swipe up and swipe to the right. You want to close the app that you're having problems with. So I'll be closing YouTube, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you will simply try again to see if the app is still giving the same problem or if it is opening now. If the app is still not opening, what I would recommend you do is go into Safari or whichever browser you use on your iPhone, and you want to type in Detector.com. And this is a website that shows the apps that are currently down. As you can see right here, Apple Music or so on. It shows the outages and when persons are having problem with it. As you can see right here, it shows when the outage happened, the exact time, as you can see right here, if other persons are experiencing this problem. And if you don't see the particular app that you're having problems with on that website giving trouble, what I would recommend you do is you tap on the power button on your iPhone, meanwhile pressing on the volume button. And by doing this, you will be soft resetting your iPhone. So you'll simply press on both buttons and then you'll simply turn off your iPhone. You will see the option to turn off iPhone, as you can see here. And you will simply glide along to slide to power off. And if after doing that still doesn't work, what I would recommend you do is go into settings. And from here, you are going to simply go into general. But before even doing that, you are going to scroll down to iPhone storage. And you want to search for the app that you are having trouble with. Again, my example is YouTube, so I'll tap on YouTube, and you want to tap on Offload App. After you have tapped on Offload App, you will simply tap on Reinstall App. It will appear right here. Then you want to try the app again. By tapping on Offload App, you'll be clearing the cache of the app. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend you do is simply delete the app. So you can simply press down on the app, then tap on Remove App, and you'll tap on Delete App. Then you will go back into Play Store and reinstall the app. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend you do is go into Settings. After going into Settings, let me go back. You want to come into General, as you can see right here. And you're going to scroll down and you want to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you're going to tap on Reset. After selecting Reset iPhone, you're going to tap on Reset Network Settings. And hopefully that works. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend you do is tap on Reset All Settings. But that should be your last option. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.